Monday for the following counties: Fulton and Mason.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Logan County, eastern Mason County, southeastern Peoria County, Tazewell County, southern Woodford County, until 12:15 a.m. At 11:09 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Peoria to Mason City and moving east at 30 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Eureka, Lincoln, East Peoria, San Jose, Germantown Hills, Delavan, Tremont, Morton, Washington, Emden, Metamora, Hopedale, Hartsburg, Mackinac, Deer Creek, Goodfield, Minear, Arlington, Roanoke, and Secor.